Love this. Recently, we saw a lot of controversies on social media and in particular on TikTok. Most individuals think you need numbers. Most individuals think you need to be an influencer to earn on these social media platforms. No, that is very wrong. For you to earn on social media platforms, you need to know these things I'm going to tell you. But before that, today we're going to focus more on Facebook. For you to earn on Facebook, you don't need numbers and you don't need to be a business owner. You don't need to be an influencer. When you talk about an influencer, most people think the moment they have numbers, the moment they are known, they are influencers. But that is wrong. So in today's video, I want you to think again. What if I told you there are 3 simple ways you could make at least $30 on a daily basis on Facebook with no content creation, no product selling, and 0 followers required? You guys, if you're already scrolling Facebook every day, why not turn that time into easy cash? And I'm going to show you how to do it. The moment you understand that these social media platforms are money-making machines, there's a lot of confusion, a lot of shouting, a lot of disagreements that we find on social media. The moment you know there is money, those things will not be there. So I want you to first, as you scroll down on and you watch, I want you to remove that thing. We have numbers, we have following. No, but if you have numbers, are you still going online and begging for money? If you have numbers, if you have following, are you still on TikTok and putting a basket that people should contribute for you? That is a very big wrong no. Now I'm educating you and I want to bring up the generation that knows I don't need to beg money. Instead, I need money I need to attract to money. I need to be an attraction to money by knowing these tips. Let's get into it. The first one is about Facebook group moderation and management. The Facebook groups moderation management is the first way for you to start getting money. What you need to start up, get paid to manage Facebook groups. There are thousands of business owners, coaches, and influencers who run Facebook groups to build their communities, but they don't have time to improve or approve members, delete spam posts, or engage with the groups. I started one of the group like this, but up to now, sometimes I don't have time to go and approve members to enter in, approve people to start posting in there. So if you find you can have that time, why not make this money? That's where you come in, you guys, especially you guys who are being demotivated that you don't have numbers. No, it's not about the numbers. It's about the mindset and it's about exposure. By the way, majority of the people with numbers, they are not exposed. What they think when you have numbers, you have opportunity to be called to do some things. You have opportunity to be given money, and you have opportunity to have like majority of the people on your live streams. So let's see how you can start. What you need to do, you can offer services as a Facebook group moderator or community manager. Most people pay anywhere from $100 to $500 per month. For reliable moderators, which means even if you manage just 2 to 3 groups, you can easily make $30 a day or more. And when you're making $30 a day or more than that, that is a very good amount of money. The best part is, or the pro tip, you don't need to create any content here. What you need is just to keep the group organized. Do you think you can be part of this, such that you can change the narrative and come and testify about this? The second one is Facebook virtual assistant. Become a Facebook virtual assistant. It might sound funny for you because most of my audience have come to see, and I'm proud of it, that most of the audience, these things, all of them are new to them. But the few people who know them, they don't come and expose them to you. That's why someone will come and they teach me. This is a disclaimer. The moment you hear something like Facebook virtual assistant jobs, rush and go to your browser, key it into your browser and ask, how can I get a Facebook virtual assistant job? Where, what do I need? What can I? This is what we do. I want you to be open-minded and get the gigs here. So what you do, there are plenty of small businessmen and businesswomen, online entrepreneurs that need someone like you to do this, to reply messages and comments on their Facebook page, schedule posts which they will provide you. You don't need to do anything. They will provide for you. Track analytics, even run basic Facebook marketplace listing for them. All of this can be done from your phone or laptop. No fancy skills needed. And virtual assistants can make anywhere from $10 to $25 per hour. Just a few hours a day can easily bring you $30 a goal without creating anything for yourself. You're just there, and your mindset and your focus and your consistency and your presence. The third way is Facebook affiliate marketing without a website. I've been talking about affiliate marketing, but now this is Facebook marketing. And here we don't need a website. Here what you need to do, you should know that Facebook does not require a website page or audience. This is how it works. You join affiliate programs for products people already want. How do you know that people already want these products? I told you recently, or I explained in one of our videos, that if you to know what people are already looking for in your locality or in globally, you can go to these AI bots, AI tools, key it there, depending on the niche you want. Are you a person who is interested in gadgets? Are you a person who is interested in phones? Are you a person who is interested where? Put it there. The moment you put it there, they will bring for you. Give me the most wanted items and being searched and bought. The moment they bring them, go to Amazon. Let me hope you're already an affiliate marketeer. I am an affiliate marketeer on Amazon. I assume when you're already there, then you're going to use it. How are you going to use it? You join affiliate programs for products people already want. Things like Amazon deals, digital tools, or trending products. And you share those affiliate links inside relevant Facebook groups. Or you DM you DM some people, and you should also be DMing only people who are asking for recommendations. For example, if someone is in home decor group, ask for the best budget for coffee maker. And you have a product of a coffee maker. What you need to do is only to drop your link, the link of a coffee maker that you have. They buy and you get paid commission. If you're smart about finding the right conversation and dropping helpful, not spammy links, you can easily hit $30 a day, even as a beginner. So now here we are, guys. As I've told you, these are 3 ways to make $30 a day on Facebook without even posting anything, without selling anything, without making content. What do you think you can do? Are you going to still go on this Facebook, start scrolling our posts? Yes, I gain from you scrolling my post, but can you scroll as you learn? Let other people also with time scroll your post. Can you do it? Yes, you can do it. If you want more simple side hustle like this one, please hit that like button. Go to the comment section, write something, say, I want this method. Let me know which method you're going to try first. And at the same time, don't forget to share this video, because it is going to benefit someone out there with a smartphone, but always begging for data. This is a disclaimer. You guys, these methods are not going to make you a billionaire in a one day. They're not going to make you buy the house of your dream in a day, in a month, but it's a foundation. So can you build your foundation right now? Yes, because when you build one foundation, it leads you to another product. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye-bye.